Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. We start off with this amazing bob haircut. So the stylist took the bob up a notch by adding in some color as well. I think he did an amazing job. Loving this transformation. She looks stunning. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. She starts off with long, brown, wavy hair. Looks like the stylist is adding in some nice layers for some volume, as well as some curtain style bangs to frame the face. Gorgeous. This is definitely a great look for the fall season. And of course he added in some waves for some more texture. So moving right along, we see someone who has like mid-length hair, grown out color. So she ended up getting some money piece highlights with this transformation. And a nice, gorgeous lob haircut. So the next transformation starts off with someone who has really long hair. Looks like she is getting some color done. Gorgeous. She ended up going with this beautiful bright blonde. Then we see a brunette transformed into a blonde in the form of color and some extensions. So then we move on to another hair color transformation. Oh, she went with a nice icy blonde. And then getting into the next one, she ended up going blonde as well. She was already blonde, but she got her color just kind of touched up and brightened. And then we see a brunette for the next one, and she is also getting a color change. Oh, beautiful kind of caramel highlights were added. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.